this video, I'll be showing you how to check your WAEC 2025 result using your own personal mobile phone and printing it as PDF into your phone by yourself. It is a very simple process. It is what you can do yourself. So let me show you the procedure, and ensure to watch this video to the end, because this video is actually going to help you. WAEC 2025 result is out, so check it now. So go to this browser. This is my Chrome. Go to any browser. If you are using Chrome, Opera Mini, Safari, you can use any of the browser. So as you can see in my browser now, see my Chrome. My Chrome is open. So what are you going to do? You will go to this search engine here, then you search waecdirect.org on it. Then it's loading. As you can see, it's still loading. Allow it to load finish, and then it's going to pop up a notification. So you have to exit that notification. So don't just quickly go and start entering your details here. Give it some time, let it load. Let it load. You see, it has not load finished though, because it has to bring out a notification. Okay, let me show you something. Let me click on this. You know, here it says what? Examination number. So your examination number is your, also known as your registration number. So it is a 10-digit number. 10-digit number. The first 7-digit number is your center number. Something like 4252021. This 4252021 is a center number. So the next three digits number that follows will now be your seat number. So the combination of your center number and your seat number is your examination number, or you call it registration number. So let me just enter any center number here. Let me just enter any seat number here. Let me say 005. Now making 10. So that's done. So let me click on the back here. Now look at this. I said there's going to be a notification here, but still yet it hasn't popped up. But let's keep entering. Let's continue what we are doing. Now the next thing here is now examination. You are clicking on 2025. Then what's the next thing? The next thing says examination. So you can see private candidate results here. Now look at this private candidate results here. You can see that this advert space wasn't here before, so it now is here now, meaning that it's still loading underground. So this place, everything here is for adverts. WAEC used to use it to advertise any products or anybody's services. So if you want to advertise your product, you can reach out to WAEC, then they will place your advert on this page like this for all students to see your products or anything you are selling. So now back to the business. This is now private candidate. This private candidate means that if you want to check your WAEC GC, you can see here now we have private candidate result and school candidate result. Since you want to check your WAEC 2025 result, I mean the WAEC that students used to wear school uniform to check, do you get? So that one you need to click on school candidate. So let me click on school candidate. As you can see now, the advert space is now many. This is 1, 2, you can see 3. So it's still loading. Like I said, a notification is going to pop up here, so you need to exit notification, but let's keep checking. So now I've selected school candidate result. Now this is a notification. As you can see, this is a notification. So if I did not close this place, if I did not click on close, then I'll be able to proceed again. So wait, let me zoom this. You see, I want to enter this pin now. It's not clicking, it's not pressing because of this notification. So ensure to allow this thing to pop up before you start entering your details. That is what students did not know. Give it a time, allow it to pop up before you start entering your details. So this notification, you can read it. They said, okay, read it. WAEC data privacy policy, blah, 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 blah. You can read it. So but when you are done reading it, just click on close. So ensure to always give it some time. Let all this advert page, let it load. Let all the advert page load finish before you will proceed to start entering your details. Did you see that now? So now let me now exit this notification by clicking on close. So I've clicked on close now. So after clicking on close, then I can now continue whatever I'm doing. So after clicking on the school candidate result, then the next thing is now to click on my pin. Now this pin is around 15 to 16 digits. You understand? So this pin is always on your WAEC WAEC ID card. The ID card that WAEC gives all of you. So if the ID card is still with your school, just call your school management and go and collect your ID card, because your pin is there, including your serial number, is below your picture on the ID card. So go and get it right now. And if your school did not release it to you, if you want to buy, please do well to send a message to the WhatsApp number that will be displayed on your screen, or you try to check our description of this channel to pick our WhatsApp number. Then send the message to us on WhatsApp. We are going to sell a pin for you that you can use to check WAEC 2025 results. Okay, so the pin is always 16-digit number. So let me guess a particular pin. Let me say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So the pin is always 16-digit number. Like I said earlier, if you want to buy WAEC scratch card, or you have exhausted your 5 times to use the one on your ID card and you want to get a new one, so please, either you write it under the comment section that you want to buy WAEC scratch card, or you send a message to our WhatsApp number to buy it at a cheaper rate. If you want it in bulk, so we also sell in bulk. So do well to do that right now. Thank you. And now the next thing is the serial number. So look at the serial number. The serial number is just like no serial number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. So the serial number is always in something like WRN in capital. Okay, let me click here. So it's always in WRN in capital letter. So WR in capital letter, WRN, as you can see, WRN. Then it now has, I think, 10-digit number follows. So 10-digit number like 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 6 5 4. So I think 10 digits number follows. This serial number, what does it mean? It's like as if, when you are writing a serial, like when you are numbering something, after number 1, what follows? Number 2, after number 2, number 3, after number 3, number 4. So if you are buying this WAEC scratch card in bulk, you are buying it in bulk, you can easily predict the next serial number. It's just like the last digit will be changing, something like WRN 436789065 So the next scratch card that will follow will be 90655. The pin that will change, the pin will not be the same thing. Do you get? So serial number is just like a normal number when you are naming when you are numbering something serially. So that's not a problem. So now I'm done filling my details. I'm done filling my details. So after that, you can see the advert is now showing very well, as you can see. So somebody is advertising something here. If you want to obtain your school post UTME form or screening form, please do well to also send a message to us. And if you want to upload your result to your JAMB portal, this result, if you want to upload it to JAMB portal, please go to any nearby CBT center, because you will need to thumbprint. And those that have uploaded before, please don't go there for anything. Since your result is showing in your portal, that means you have no issue again. But if your result is not showing in your portal, probably your result is showing AR. That AR simply means awaiting result. Awaiting result means that you have not uploaded your result to your JAMB portal. So please do well to go to the center to go and upload. Nobody can upload for you online because you need to thumbprint. But any other thing aside uploading of result to JAMB portal, please, is what we can do. And if you are in our state, like the state where I am currently, you can also come nearby to our CBT center to do anything you want to do. If you want to print original JAMB results, please send a message to our WhatsApp number as well. And you want to do anything that deals with educational aspect, getting admission to any university in this country, we also assist students with that. So now the next thing to do is now to click on submit. So but I won't be clicking on submit now, simply because I entered the wrong details, you understand? So I only predicted all these numbers and serial number and pin for my head. But once you are done filling it perfectly like this, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, then your result will appear here. If your result now appear here, below the result you will see print somewhere around here. You will see print somewhere around there. So once you click on print, then it will allow you to save it as PDF. So click on PDF, then you have it on your download. So from there you can now take it to any printer to print it out as hard copy. Please do well to share this video to your classmates, to any student who wrote WAEC. Over 1.6 to 1.9 million used to write WAEC every year. So please do well to share it to them. Let them understand how to print their results themselves. Thank you so much. This is Matkem. I love you. Bye.